Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro. And basically we have a few options how to enable it or disable. The first one, we can use an application or we can use gestures. Let's get started by use the application. So open Creative application, and if you add your earbuds to this application, you will see this menu. Now go to ambient control, and right here at the right side we have transparency mode. To enable it, just tap on it, and to disable, just tap on another mode, or you can disable these modes. Now let's use the gesture. To activate it by gestures, you need to press 2 times at your left earbud. And the touch area is located right here, so you just press 2 times. And we enable. To disable it, you can press 2 times, and you will swap to ANC. You just press 2 times again, and you will disable this mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!